Hey everybody, it's Danny here, Danny Reviews, and if you are looking for a way to take your sketching from basic doodles to a professional level art, you need to see this 37-piece drawing set from NIL Tech, and a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review. But one thing you're going to notice here is the quality. This doesn't feel like a cheap starter kit. This is a professional grade material set that includes 12 graphic pencils, ranging from 5H to 8B. So you're going to get those 12 pencils. You're going to get 3 charcoal pencils, a woodless graphite, and blending stumps. It even includes a dual sharpener and a ruler and a 16-sheet sketch pad. So you literally have everything you need to get started right out of the box. And what makes this stand out is the variety. So whether you're into like photorealism or like anime, you won't get bored because you have everything and every tool here for blending to fine line work. It's absolutely perfect for beginners, and it takes the guesswork out of, what to buy, right? Because this set's going to just give you everything from the get-go. Plus, there's access online to different tutorials from this company, which is a huge bonus for building your skills. Everything is housed durably in this nice zipped container. So you can zip this from here and carry everything with you. So whether you're traveling or you want to throw this into your book bag, you can do that. And everything here has a home. So you can keep track of all your stuff right here and then know if something's missing. So I really recommend picking up this art set if you're wanting everything without having to think of like which tools to buy. This is going to give you everything, and it's a great starter kit. And I highly recommend this.